Hi, welcome to this video on MS SQL covering Getdate and performing select queries without tables. So on screen you see I've got a standard query from a table, select star from table, and generally the minimum you do in SQL is you would do a select from a table. However, you don't have to include a table. So if I get rid of that table here, SQL will return, if you put select, SQL will return whatever's following the select. In this case, however, a star is a keyword, it means everything. So if I try and run that, it won't know what to do. I don't know what you're talking about there. But if I put that in single quotes, it'll say, oh, you just want me to return a star. Or you could put any bit of text in there. You could put your name in there if you wanted to. Or you could put a number in there. Or you can maybe do a calculation. And you can put more numbers in there. And it will treat each comma separated value as its own column. There's also functions in there that you can access. There's a function called Getdate. That will return the current date and time. So you can use a mixture of this and accessing a table. So maybe if I do select star from my table, there's all my data. And actually maybe I want to see, and maybe following that I want to see, there's my other column, and maybe I want to see the date. Oops. And there's the date. And the date will show for every single row in that table. If I got rid of everything apart from get date, but I did select get date from a table, it'll show get date for every single row in that table. It'll show it multiple times. In the same way that if I said get one from a table, it'll just show the number 1 for every row in that table. So if I just undo that and I've got get date, the final thing I want to show you is I can also say ft colors, which I know is a number, so I can then make that into a calculation. There you go. 1 times 10 is 10. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.